entering engineering stream. So they will have an exposure on what is C++, what is object-oriented concepts. So it will be a bit easy to take the next step to go to Java. First, they have to learn what are the basics in that programming language. First, they have to learn that programming language. So it won't be a difficult task because they have a good exposure in C++. So it is an extension of it, but not exactly C++. It is an extension of it. You can learn it easily.
So what are the things, Durga, what do you think is essential so that they can become, okay, they can start understanding bigger ideas? We have not started talking anywhere near the idea, agenda. That's for a reason. So what all is needed so they can make a note of?
Maybe for an app, like that's what we come across day by day. For an app, you need a program to be written, which can be Java. It is very easier to learn. Don't worry about how you have to learn an app. It can be simply learned easily when we do smart work. Okay? Don't worry about that. Next thing that you will need is a tool to do it, like make it available. That we have to know. Learning about Google App Engine is not so tough again. It's just deploying it on the web. Okay, so first tool is how should we create a Java application? For that we will use a tool called as IDE and Eclipse. IDE is integrated
Development
environment. Okay, so that you have. You can easily create. It's not tough. Everything will be provided as a template with which you can make changes and get away with the application. So that will be the first thing that you have to learn. Next thing is how should we put it on the web. These are the two steps that will be needed for developing a web component. That is an app. And what else, like anything else to be learned?
Yeah.
Basically, these are the two important things.
Then the web hosting, what some forms can you explain on what all the web requirement? It has to be visible on the web. So what we need, a name, then we need a hosting, what they call as hosting. Hosting means you need a space so that name can point to the space. You have to learn that is called hosting. Then you know to know the languages, right? HTML. Do you know HTML, simple HTML?
The address you have, so like you have your email ID, and that's like it will be installed somewhere, and it should be like if you get any mail, so it should be redirected to your inbox, and you have joined in some other group, so it will be like if you get any mail, so it will also deliver to you, and if you send, it will be the same way. So it's a next step to hosting. So it's early to learn all those things.
Yeah, exactly. Beautiful example you gave. You are all using phones. You use email IDs? All have email IDs. Do you know how you get when you said like karthik@gmail.com, how does the mail come to you? Somebody dials your number, you are getting the phone. Did it ever occur? How come your phone is ringing, not mine? These are all software. Everything is a kind of a software. Okay? So there is a lot of analog was there. Now you are all digital connections. How this digital thing is ringing with different tones. Right? So first becoming curious. First step is you should be all curious. I want to know. Some people say, oh what, I have 4 phones, man. Somebody told there was one of an uncle there. He told him, do you know how a DVD player works? Hey man, I know. I have one. I have bought one. So I should be naturally knowing. Do you think if you buy one, can you know one? Not at all. So we get that's called what you call the little bit of a overconfidence, or we have to have the curiosity. A person, maybe a Sivaraman sitting somewhere in a remote place, he wants to explore things. He takes things. He doesn't have something. He borrows it. He looks into it. He designs one. Something like that happens. So you need that curiosity. If you don't have the curiosity or involvement, you will never get to the